A great repeat customer in Josh. This is his second Super Duty with us. This is our Western Reserve. This is nothing but F-450s in this video, so stay tuned for the big boy trucks. Western Reserve and Reserve Editions. Money set up on this truck, clean and classy. We got trimmer valets up front. We got a minimal amount of paint. Look at that stance. It's a mean combo. The only paint we did on this one at all was blue to black on the front for a clean and classy rendition with a CM truck bed out back to work and throw anything that you need to throw at it. A leveled stance, looking amazing. We are 2.5 inch leveled on 37s and 24s. American Forces is so strong. There's a good look at our coil spring up front, and we have King dual steering stabilizers, the best in the business as far as King shocks, stabilizing it up front. Tried and true. Thing drives amazing. Thomas took care of this one. Mile to mile scale, we're in the 4.5 to 5 inch range. Diamond plate there. We got our bed lights to go around along with it for protection. Looking amazing. Look how big those storage boxes are up front. We got boxes in the back on our skirted bed. 24s, they're polished. They're American Forces, ridge grapplers. Look at how much spacing we have. Not a lot between our wheel well there, but here's a good look inside our boxes. Got great storage applications on both sides, along with a fuel tank toolbox combo from UWS, diamond plated black as well. We got our pump, we got our gooseneck to go along with it, bed linered, and the back box, not as big obviously, but still ample room for tools, toe straps, etc. Here is my money set up. Love this shot right here. 2.5 inch leveled on 37s and 24s. Coming around to the back of the bed, you can just see this bed has our reverse sensor to go along with it. A good look at our mild to wild scale out back as well. This truck is making a statement. People have been loving this truck. I know Josh and his crew is going to love it. We have airlift airbags in the back, 7500 XLs for anything you can throw at it. You want to tow with this bad boy, load it down with a crew and whatnot, you got the confidence in doing it. I'm going to try to squeeze in here to show you a little bit of a better glance at our airlift system. There you go. So on the lift modification is our airbags in the rear, beside our coil spring up front, and then a good look at our pump there. Now let's take a look inside the platinum interior. We got heated seats in the back. We got the big 12-inch touchscreen. We got a good contrast of black and silver and our Marsala stitching throughout. This is a clean and classy interior too. All the way around, this truck's clean and classy in my opinion, but ready to work. Platinum badges. You got your Marsala stitching, a nice subtlety of silver throughout to break up so much black, but I love a black on black combo with polished wheels. And you got 6.7 liter Powerstroke power, almost 500 horsepower, over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. Look at this truck. Oh my gosh. And Josh, our great guy, I got to see him the other day. Thanks so much, y'all. On to the next one. Peace out from this one. Thanks so much. Oh yeah. Now we're going straight to a Reserve Edition. Austin, our great painter, sent us this great customer again from Louisiana. He took care of all the paint work, and we took care of all the lift, wheel and tire combo. We got the plague wheels. We're on 37s and 24s again. We're leveled up on Fox shocks for remote reservoir. Looking mean and stormtrooperish. F-450 Limited. Did side badges, Powerstroke emblems, side mirrors to a gate black with white caps that comes on the Limited. Smoked out the side turn signals as well as door handles. Took care of all his black on his windows trim and the running boards. 24s on 37s. Do you love my theme? It's rolling strong, y'all. We got Nitto Recon grapplers, the all-terrain tire. I love the black and milled with this white truck. It really accents very nicely. Look at those tail lights. Look at that applique. Man, I mean, we're just cornering the market with these stormtroopers, y'all. Look at that applique. Look at these tail lights. The black rolls through. We got a light smoke, Oxford or Star White on our perimeter there. A beautiful truck, just a statement of a truck. Our shop is rolling strong, staying busy. We have a stock 450 right here next door for a good comparison. Look at those, all that red in the taillights. Look at those puny wheel and tire combo. I'm not knocking it, but I'm kind of am because I want to roll custom, y'all. Amen to that, right? Look at the grill. Look at all the chrome. Look at the mild to wild scale. So not even mild, y'all. It's, man. Oh my gosh, got to roll with the Reserve. Another carbonized gray. We haven't done carbonized gray in quite some time. We're on Recon grapplers again and American Forces again, but we're on 37 22s on this setup. And again, we're 2.5 inch leveled. We've got King Steering stabilizers up front, a very similar thing, carbonized gray. Here's my money shot, leveled on 37s. That's all you got to do to get in our reserve edition game. Throw a level kit of some sort with entire combo, and we are American Force, gloss black and Neal with the Recon grappler. Love it, y'all. The Recon is a great all-terrain variation that's different from that Terra grappler. It's more aggressive and newer tire technology. Mild to wild scale. We're in that 4.5 to 5 inch range, so we're more on that wild side, but it looks perfect. It's going to sling stuff more, y'all, but it looks amazing. It's got the stance, and the more confident width gives you a better overall ride quality to still tackle any job, but you got to look great. If you look great, you're going to feel good. If you feel good, you're going to be able to throw out and work hard and get the job done every time. Yes. Now for the last one, as the sun's starting to set here at Akins, and wow, look at these. We have a King Ranch beauty. This is a reserve edition King Ranch F-450, and again, we're on Nittos and Forces. John at Wheel Pros and all the Wheel Pros guys take care of us, and I love that King Ranch, a two-tone combination. This is a white platinum metallic because of the year model. We got our stone gray accent, so we got the white over gold. It's clean and classy. We got a super single up front, so mild to wild scale. We're about 5 inches. We're a little bit past the mid-level range. Overall, we have a striker off-road lift kit here. Coilovers up front with resis. We have unique radius arms, and we got dual steering stabilizers going on as well. Again, a polished wheel. We're not down with just black, y'all. We can roll however we want to roll with it, and we know that a polished wheel still looks great. I love those unique radius arms. They're notorious to striker. They look truly epic. Again, we're rolling with the Powerstroke again. So much power for any job, especially a truck of this stature, standing nice and tall on 37s and 24s again. This is lifted taller than our typical 2.5 inch kit, so you definitely do have more overall height out of this truck, but it's a big and boastful vehicle. It looks really good, and it's great repeat customers of ours too. Had this truck done around Christmas time and got it back in to button some things up. Got a bed cover to go along with it. So if you didn't notice, we just showcased 4 back to back, kind of like the dogs are about to do. And I surely appreciate all of y'all watching. So stay tuned for more as we are bringing you all the F-450 action in one source. Yes, yes, yes. Peace out, y'all.